Hi guys, it's Peter, welcome to our channel. And today is gonna be quite interesting video. I just pick it up on moving cell Apple. It's Apple, what's it called? Let's see, let me hold it. It's supposed to be open somehow. Okay. Apple PowerBook G4. And this one is quite interesting. I mean, I never owned back then Apple products. It's too expensive for me. I remember a friend of mine used to have one of those, but it was slightly bigger and all plastic. This one, it's aluminum edition. It's dirty like hell, but it's quite impressive the way they used to make back then. Really awesome looking. On the right side, it has a DVD. Front side, it doesn't have anything besides the little button for, oh, it actually do pop screen. I mean, when you push it, boom, right there, it's unlatched somehow. And on the left side, you got power socket, modem, internet. This is a, I believe it's a FireWire, or what it's called. Then USB. 2 ports of USB, monitor port, and this is a microphone, headphones, and capstan lock. On the back has a couple vents. All around, I mean, it's dirty, probably has some scratches. Here I did recognize it, where right there, it's a little dent, but all around it's actually pretty good. It's too bad the foot pads is missing, the rubber pads is missing, and that's where did have a scratches from on the bottom. What's that? It's probably power button. Oh well, it's not a real power button. It's a button for tested battery. Battery is dead. The owner said this laptop didn't been used probably for a decade or so. But for $5, you not can complain. It did come with power supply, and power supply looks like it did so better days before. Oh, I like that one. Yeah, it's been used a lot. And this guy looks like, oh yeah, you can disconnect it. It's kind of interesting concept. You can use it the way it is, or you can remove it and use it extended power cable if you don't want to just use it the way it's meant to be. Power cable looks kind of right. Let's see if it has any nicks, I mean the damage. Dirty like hell. Yeah, the power cable is nice. It looks good. It also did come with software. Most likely it's for this edition, and pretty much it come with actually, let's open it. Maybe it didn't come with anything. No, it looked like original box. Max OS Snow Leopard. Install me first. I mean, pretty much it's operation system. Then iWork. No idea what it is. Because I'm a PC guy, not Apple guy. Oh, it's some kind of software. I'm not really, like I said, not really sure what's the iWork. Okay, just leave it. Couple stickers and iLife. Probably same thing. Let's open it and see if there's a disc. Oh yeah, it does have a disc. Probably no one used it before. Anyway, you know what? Let me get. How do you remove battery? Oh, it's got that little guy. Let me get a penny from a piggy bank, and then sorry about the sound. And let's pop it a battery. Oh yeah, the battery. I just want to see connectors. I mean, if there's a corrosion and all that, maybe it's not really making any sense to plug it. No, the battery looks fine. And did it fit? Oh, it doesn't fit properly right now. Why? How? Just like that. But now it has a gap. Oh, you just push it in. Okay. And this guy is supposed to be just like that. This little cap, I mean the door, it's holding with 4 little tiny set screw. And I don't have a small screwdriver. You have to have a kind of like a jugular screwdriver to unscrew it. Those 4 screws, we will not bother. You know what? Let me wipe it. Over there is one more dent. Okay, let's plug it, the power supply, to the wall. Oh, wrong port. Oh, that's really nice. Look at it, guys. When you plug it, it turns green. Uh-oh, now it turns yellow. What's going on? Not really sure. Oh, yeah. Actually, it's kicking, and also that yellow status turns green. Oh, you know what? Probably yellow and green. When it detects battery, probably battery is shot. That's when it turns to yellow. Now it turns to green, probably because we're powering. Screen. I'm not really sure if camera is gonna show, but it has a kind of black mark. Most likely, it just has a lot of mileage. You know what? Yeah, this laptop has a lot of mileage. Let me also wipe it with microfabric cloth made for LCDs. It's kind of funny. I thought I got one, and it doesn't look like. It doesn't look like I do. Oh, you know what? I believe I got over here. You not see what I'm doing? Oh yeah, I got one. Let me wipe it, because otherwise the screen quality, due to moisture from wipes, it look like crap. Actually, it looks pretty good. On a white background, you can still see that burning pixel quality or so. You know, I mean, kind of still there. But when the background, like the way the one right now, it looks pretty good. Okay, your computer is set data before March 24th, 2001. This may cause some application not behave it's okay. Pretty much clock is screwed up. It's understandable. If it did sit for a long time and didn't been used for 10 years or so, it's understandable. The clock battery most likely is dead. You see right there on this side, it's kind of like a menu pops. Not menu, the bunch of icons. I'm not really sure why they there. It's probably user configure. I mean, customize this area. You can put it all kind of stuff, or you can move it. No, you not can move it. No, actually, no, you can't. Macintosh HD, so that's have to be hard drive. Oh, it's a Mac OS 9. Yeah, actually, you know what? I believe. I mean, I used to have iMac, whatever. Well, not mine. I did borrow it from somebody else. But oh, sorry about that. To close it, it's going to be on this side. About this Mac. This will give us specs wise what is running. Pretty much running Mac OS 10, version 10.3.9. Software update, we don't want to update. Most likely it doesn't have Wi-Fi card. Those things probably they do have built-in, which here's the icon. I'm not really sure if Wi-Fi card built in. Memory is 256 megabyte DDR RAM. More info. Let's see what's some more info there. Okay, it kind of give you a better picture. PowerBook G4 12-inch. Yeah, it is 12-inch. PowerPC G4 3.3. No, speed right there. I thought 3.3 gigahertz running. No, there's no such a thing back in 2001. 3.3. CPU speed 867. Pretty much, yeah. Memory 256. Bus speed 133. It doesn't mean anything to me, but yeah, pretty much like I said, it's running for $5. It's a good deal. Oh, right there's another menu. Also pops. That's gonna be something interesting for me to learn. Oh, the trash bin right there. Yeah. Well guys, pretty much that's all I got for this video. I hope it was interesting, enjoyable. If you guys did enjoy it, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will be really appreciate. Thank you.